Hello, Mike here from Your Successful Affiliate Influencer. Today, we're going to talk about how to make £300 a day or even £300 a week, depending on how you do it. But it's all about writing small articles with about 300 words in each article. Before we start though, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click the subscribe button below, please. Then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. As I said at the beginning of this video, how to make £300 a week or £300 a day, depending on you. It is about writing articles with about 300 words in each article. The website you will use is called Listverse, which we will go to in a moment. When you write these articles, you have to write them with proper grammar. You can't just write anything there at all, and it has to be very consistent in what you're saying. It has to be good, strong knowledge on what you're talking about. You will need to put in about 10 articles each time. So as I say, you will have to do some studying on which articles you're going to put in. But as I said just now, they've got to have very, very good grammar. Otherwise, Listverse will not accept them. In fact, you'll probably find they'll only accept 3 out of the 10 articles you send in. But each time you do it, you have to send in 10 articles. A way of finding, and you might say, well, what articles can I talk about if I'm going to do this consistently? Well, if you go into Google, which we will go into a bit later on, and you put in something like top 10 lists, and then under Google you will find different articles come up which you can go into, read their blogs, and then take information from these blogs. And I say it's around about 300 words you need for each article to do. So what we will do now, we will now go to Listverse, and this will give you an idea of what you have to do. Okay, here we are in Listverse. It's free to use. There's no actual costs for you. But as I say, you can earn up to about 300, they pay you about £100 per article if they actually publish for you. And as I say, if on average, you will get 3 of your 10 articles accepted, providing, as I said earlier in my video, you have very good grammar. Now, if we scroll down through here, this one has got 10 weird news stories from Russia, 10 shipwrecks, 10 new facts about famous people and places. There's all different sorts of things down on here. But if I go back to the top again, and I click here on random list, and then we come down through here, there you are. You see, this is where people put their actual articles in, and that's one article there. And this one's talking about mummies, I believe. Yes, it is. And if we go down through Crave, the Spirit Crave mummy, see, it's all different articles about one subject. There you are, and there you are. That's all that has to be actually written out. As I say, up to about 300 words, and you can see there. And we go down through again, and another one there. So as I say, these will get about £100 per article. But as I say, they would have to be accepted by Listverse. As you see, if I come up to the top here, it's got entertainment. You've got gaming, TV, movies and TV, music, pop culture, arts, If you come up here, you've got general knowledge. You can actually put it in under books, facts, history, miscellaneous, misconceptions. Here we go, where we go, lifestyle here, food, health, sport, travel, science, animals, humans, our world, space, technology. And then if we come over here, we've got society, crime, politics, and religion. So as I say, you can write about you can write about anything within this. But as I say, I will keep repeating this. You have to have good grammar, otherwise they will not accept this. If I put a new tab in a minute, just hold on a minute, and I'll write in. Hang on. And we're going to Google here, and we put in top 10 lists. Well, I can't spell. See, then if you come down through here, so you got top listen to artists on Spotify, top lists in the world. So you can find all different subjects by just actually going into Google itself. And you can find so many different subjects. There you are. I hope that helps you if you're looking to make money online. As I say, you can make up to about £300 a week or a day, possibly, depending on you. But if you're looking to make lots more money and have a high capacity passive income, well, there I can also help you. First of all, you will see down below, I have a free ebook on how to be a successful affiliate marketer. You can download that one. Also, below that, I have another product, which is 15 Steps to Success. This is a program where you'll be taught how to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. This is a 15-step, as I say, 15-step program. There's 15 videos in this program where you will also get a coach and a mentor, which will help you along the way to teach you. You can ask him questions, they will ask you questions, and it's a brilliant course which I do thoroughly recommend. As I say, it's a course that I'm on or did join, and that's how I've learned how to do affiliate marketing. So if you wish to be able to make a lot more money than, say, like this, what I've just shown you, about £300 a day or a week, and you're looking to do that, and you want a passive income for life, then I thoroughly actually do recommend this course. There's lots and lots of people I know are on this course which are wholly satisfied with this course and have created a brilliant career. They started this while they're still working. So I'm going to say, don't think, oh, you can give up the day job straight away, because that would be the wrong thing to do. On anything to do with affiliate marketing or making money online, you need to start money coming in before you even consider giving up a job. But in the future, going for big stakes, well, of course, obviously then you can give up your job at a later date and work from home. And I say work from home, you can work from home, you can work from abroad, you can be on holiday, you can be anywhere. And of course, when this happens, when you're making a passive income, you can be making money while you sleep, etc. Or out doing your sport or whatever you like to do, or be out with the family and being with the children. So as I say, I do thoroughly recommend this. And if you wish to join this course and if you wish to join me on this journey, as I say, then down below you will find this course, the 15 Steps to Success, and also you will see my free ebook down below. So if you'd like to download that, that would be absolutely brilliant. Give me a thumbs up for my video, please. If you like my video, can you please leave a comment down below, because that would be great, and hopefully that you have liked my video. And this is Mike signing off from your successful affiliate influencer.